Hello, Ma'am and Sir. I am Michelle Garcia Cosilit. I'm 32 years old. I am single. I've got my 2 years vocational course in college, and I am working in Hong Kong for 8 years. My first employer is Mom and Dad, 3 and 6 years old kid, for 9 months. I take care of their family, helping the kid sent to school, cook their food, washing the clothes, do the laundry, and ironing. My second employer for 2 years, Mom and Dad, 6 years old son. I help do the cleaning, ironing, cooking, and washing, and also take care of the poor cats. My third employer for 5 years, Mom and Dad, and twin. 2 years old, I help the kid to send to school. I help the mom to cook the food, do the laundry, washing, and ironing. To my future employer, I hope that you're going to hire me and move forward to take care of your family also. God bless!